Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. All right, daily chart. FOMC was yesterday. The reaction was negative. They took it up as high as 39.07, and they couldn't get it done. They brought it in, took out the 50, took out the 9, and right now we are fighting over the green line, which is your middle Bollinger Band or your 20-day simple moving average. So you have two standard deviation Bollinger Bands. You have an upper band here and a lower band, and we tend to call this the middle band for those of you that are new. How does the E-mini or the S&P Futures, how do they like to trade? They like to trade lower band, middle band, upper band. Upper band, middle band. I'm not saying we're going all the way down here. Maybe we are, maybe we aren't. But the key to today, everything about today, is where do we close relative to the green line? We want to be long above that line. We want to be short below. Bottom line. If they're going to convert this down and through on a closing basis, it opens up the low from October the 21st down at 36.41 half. And then you kind of see where it wants to be from there. To bounce from here would be concerning. I'm not getting my crayon out, but you know, there's some fucking line in here somewhere. Hourly chart, you can see this 100-day simple, kiss and die, basically. Through the weekly pivot, which had been trying to be support for the, basically the 24 hours before, it's a lower high relative to this 39.28 from Tuesday. And then they took it all the way back through, took it down to the monthly pivot, and they've been kind of dancing with the monthly pivot till a few hours ago and down to the 20-day simple. And like I said, it's a key area today. It is all about this. So if they do bounce it from here, they've got to deal with monthly pivot. They have to deal with the hourly middle band, which right now is trading basically 37.81. You got volume weighted average price coming in 37.62 essentially. Our proprietary moving average is 52.75. 5-minute mid band, 43 half or just above that 20-day simple, which for our purposes today is 37.42.50. Long above, short below. I'll be very curious to see where we close relative to that line. Got a lot of day left. A lot of places for the bears to really take control, and a lot of potential for them to blow it as well. But if they can get it done today, if they can put it up, if they can put in a follow-up day to yesterday afternoon, then they have a chance into Friday for some more directional pricing back in towards that 36.41 half. All right, short and sweet today. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Talk to you tomorrow.